Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome back. Today, we're going to enjoy some super gentle stretches to help your body feel amazing. If you like stretching and having fun with me, don't forget to tap like and subscribe so you never miss our yoga adventures. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your sides, shoulders soft, spine long, and gaze forward. Standing with feet together or hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, letting the arms hang down. Knees can bend slightly. Head relaxes toward the floor. From a forward fold, place hands on shins or thighs. Lengthen the spine forward, back flat, chin slightly tucked. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Sit back as if into a chair. Bring palms together at heart center. Twist torso to one side, keeping knees aligned. Alternate sides, left and right. Front knee bent over ankle, back knee on the mat, hips sinking forward, hands resting on front thigh or reaching up. Alternate sides, left and right. From all fours, walk the hands forward and melt the chest down while keeping hips stacked over knees, forehead or chin on mat. Sit tall, cross one leg over the other, twist gently toward the top leg while placing one hand behind the back and the other on the knee. Alternate sides, left and right. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lie on back, arms in T-shape. Lower both legs to one side while keeping shoulders on the mat. Alternate sides, left and right. Kneeling with hips on heels, arms sweep up and open wide in a rainbow arc, chest gently lifted, gaze upward. Stand tall, bend one knee, gently hold the foot behind you like a flamingo while keeping chest lifted. Alternate sides, left and right. Before we finish, let's slow down and breathe together. Place your hands on your belly and feel it rise and fall. Soft breaths in, soft breaths out. Wow, you're incredible today. Your body is stronger, softer, and more flexible. Great job, Yoga Buddy. If you enjoyed our big stretches, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time for more yoga fun. Namaste.